We have a motto of clients for life. Well, a lot of my clients I've been dealing with for 25 plus years. I've got confidence in the product. I know that pump is going to go for 5 years minimum, and if it doesn't, the warranty will back it up. We used to rely on the quality of Oase to get us over the line and make the sale. They've got a long warranties. You know, some of the products have got 5-year warranties, which is a serious statement in my opinion. I've got Oase equipment that's been in clients' homes that we've installed 20 plus years and it's still working fine. I think the innovation's been interesting to watch over the years. Well, it certainly makes bigger ponds much easier to handle. So if we had a 100,000 litre pond, we don't need a gang of pumps to do the job. We can pick out one, maybe two, depending on what the requirements are, turn them on and stand back. You know, a good quality product, we have confidence in it, and we can transfer that confidence into the people we're doing business with.